Installing the SQL Server is an effortless process, thanks to the clear installation documentation. To begin, it is important to install GPG keys and add the repository to the package manager for a successful experience. To begin with, you must install the MS SQL Server package. After that is done, you have to configure it by selecting the appropriate edition and agreeing to the license terms. Once you have opted for a strong administrator password, ensure that the service is running successfully. Installing SQL command line tools is a straightforward process. Which entails adding the tools path to bash. Once that is done, you need to get onto the server and create a database and run a few queries to make sure everything works as it should. If you need to find the Microsoft documentation page, the link can be found in the description.